Inside the home, the biggest energy loss is in your ductwork most of the time. We test homes on a regular basis and find that the ductwork is anywhere between 20 and 40% leaking, meaning that up to 40% of the air that you're cooling is going out into the attic space. That's a huge factor. So that drives other forces in the house to pull air in through the ceiling fixtures like we were talking about a minute ago, the wall plugs and different door areas. Leaking ductwork, while it's the number one leaking spot, if you seal that up, it also kind of solves a lot of the other problems that go with it. We like to give customers options, and so we go through to fix leaky ductwork, for example, or if we're looking at a whole home performance testing scenario, we can have different stages and kind of order it in order of importance and most effective. So it gives customers a plan to go by. If they don't want to do everything at once, we would start off with just sealing the ductwork, and that can be done either manually sealed or using a process called AeroSeal, which actually seals the ductwork from the inside out. We like to compare it to kind of like Fix-A-Flat for your duct system. You know, everybody knows they put the goo into the tire and it fixes the nail hole without having to patch the tire. Same thing with the ductwork. We more or less inject a aerosol spray into the duct system that turns to rubber whenever it starts to find leaks, and it creates a rubbery joint and it seals up the leaks very effectively. So, you know, we can seal the ductwork as a step one, and then step two, start to seal all the other holes in the envelope like we talked about, and again, lighting fixtures or plugs and things of that sort. And then from there we can go into adding more insulation into the house and a whole list of other things by doing that. But by giving the order of importance and then giving them a step-by-step plan to go with, we find that people may not do everything at once, but you're going to take care of a major problem and then solve the littler things maybe later down the road as you have the financial means to do so.